How to buy Salvium token. So this token came under the symbol of SAL. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral codes. Simply as goes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, before going on about this token, go and check Derek's account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token, it will be listed on MEXC. So now I will show you how to buy this token on your account on MEXC. So first of all, open your MEXC account like that. Now make sure to log into your account. So if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down the description and you will be able to find the referral link and create an account on MEXC to benefit from rewards and fund your account with some USDT. Now after that, what you do, go in the search bar and type sell like that. And after that, click on this pair. So wait a few seconds to load this page. So this token is going to be live for trading in about 13 hours from now. So until that date, click on limit. Now here you can type how much you want to buy. And here you will be able to see the total that you should pay using USDT on your account. And click here on buy sal, and in about a few seconds to a few minutes you will be able to have that token on your account. So this is how to buy sal token. If you found it very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.